Spin.
Ini berapa itu?
Betul.
Beriyo tayo.
Ay, isip na yun.
Patay ka dyan!
Pare, ano masasabi mo?
Sarap.
Sarap ang panalo.
Last game, Sunday.
Wow.
Tahimik pa rin dito.
One more game, no celebration pa. One more game. Pero labas mo yung limit dyan eh. Celebrate mo sa bahay.
Pre, matahimik dito.
Ganyan ang mga panalo. Tahimik. Ganyan panalo dito, Brad. Walang kayabang-yabang. Tahimik lang. May isa pang game.
Yan ka na, no?
Ito, sama mo ako dyan.
Ito, kitang-kita, oh. Oh.
Sira.
Ay, dun, oh.
Brad, nakita nyo naman. Ito, atin yan. Ito, Brad, atin yan. Ha? Kita nyo naman, ha? Atin yan.
Dun, oh, animaw, oh. Pre, inspired ka ba sa tatlong basket mo? Talagang may gusto ka mapatunayan?
Hindi, sinuwerte lang na gumanda yung shooting na timing lang.
Pero may kaibahan ba yan? Shooting 3-pointers against San Miguel team?
Wala naman. Timing lang, bro.
Thank you. Idol ko, oh. Tahimik dito, ah. Hi, Rob.
Sir, no, sir. How are you?
Doing good.
Okay.
Still not yet logging in to the internet? Not yet surfing?
No, I got one more day. Hopefully 2 more days, hopefully. So yeah, we'll see, man.
Self-exile, huh?
Yes, sir.
Sa mga scouting play yan.
What can you say, boss, with the win?
One more to go. Not too excited. Give me one more, and I'll be happy. Thank you.
How come the boys are silent? How come there's no festive mood here?
We need one more. Everyone knows what we came for. Even after game 1, everyone knows.
So you think this is just the start still?
Yeah, for sure. It's not over. So when we get that 3rd win, you'll see the whole lot.
You think you can finish this off in 3 games?
We're gonna try. You know, never say die. So hopefully we can get it on Sunday.
Thank you so much, boss. Can you see this? Can we sleep?
You see this, man?
Oh.
Thanks to Macklin. You see that?
Yeah. Where did you get that?
I don't know. They treat me like I'm nobody. So this is what happens. This is what happens when you rob those. Physical guy.
You think you already have the best thing for award in the bag?
I don't care. I'll be winning the championship.
But if you're going to base it in the finals, they said that you have a slight edge over Macklin. Do you see that as an advantage or performance?
He's the best importer.
We don't care. He's the best importer. We don't care. We still don't care. No, man. Got the best importer in the league. Never mind. I must have heard that wrong.
Yeah, later, bro. Later. Nasasabi ka?
Kay Billy, mag-apologize na ako kasi na-carried away lang ako gumanan. Magkaibigan naman kami, pero yung magaan namin pa rin na-carried away lang ako. Kaya parang gumaganon ako, pero no intention, we're good friends outside the court. So okay lang ako kay Billy. So Billy, sorry.
Thank you. Spin.